Hi guys, here we are at Cromwell Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. Right then, time now is 20:03 on Saturday the 31st of May 2014. It's nice and light at the moment, but it won't be later on, in about an hour's time. Right, the signal up the track is on red, this way. And the signal up the track this way is amber. So we've got nothing to say when there's a train coming just yet, until one of the signals start to operate. Green light, and another green light, so we've got a train coming from both ways. I wonder if we're in for a double pass, but like it did at North Muscombe earlier today with the freighter and the 43. Nothing just yet over there. We've got nothing yet at Muscombe and Baffley. Here we go, we've got a 91 coming from southbound. We've got nothing coming from northbound. No, North Muscombe's not got a double pass. We've got 91 115, 82 202, and we're staying for the other one. I can see it now. That doesn't sound good. Obviously, one of the wheels are a bit cracked. I'm deciding not to take any more phone calls in my videos, but if Andrew happens to phone, I will answer that. We got a freighter! Or the old diesel locomotive that we saw at Cotton-on-Trent this morning. Yes, we have. And up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.